I'm going to show you how to use Pear Deck Vocabulary List. To start a list, select Start a Vocab List. Then you need to type in your term. So in this example, I'm going to use Japanese numbers, Ichigatsu. Now to save time, this is a list that I've already created. You can see I've put in the term the hiragana and the romaji, so students who find hiragana difficult to read can read the romaji, and the definition is just indicating what month of the year it is. You will see on this screen the teacher's PC is on the top and the student's device is in the bottom frame. The student is just logging in with the code that's displayed on the projector. This is a team game, but for the purposes of this demonstration, I can only show you one player. When everybody's entered the code, the teacher can select Let's Play. On the student screen, you can see draw an example of Ichigatsu. The student has to draw the numbers in kanji, then select I'm done drawing when they're finished. Here the student has to write the month in English. When they have done that, they can select the I'm done writing button. Then they can select Looks Good button. On the teacher's PC that is projected, you can see the card has dropped down onto the conveyor belt. Now the student is attempting to write the number 5. And again, they need to write the month in English. Now you can change the terms around and the definitions around and have perhaps January as the term and the definition as Ichigatsu. It depends with you which way you want to have the vocabulary list. There is an option for students to change the font color. So this student now is writing in red. I'm just going to speed it up here so we can get through this example faster, but you'll see that there'll be some mistakes made, and that's purposely done so you can see at the end the elimination process for mistakes. As I mentioned earlier, this is a team game, so students are playing in pairs. When a student draws the character, the other student has the opportunity to write what it is in English. Then when they answer the next question, that actually changes. So the first student that was actually drawing the character now has the opportunity to type it, while the other student has the opportunity to draw it. Now the students have finished all the cards. The teacher does some quality control and goes through the deck and select which cards are correct and knocks back any cards that are not correct. And the students who have the most cards accepted by the teacher as being correct are the winners of the game. After the teacher has gone through all the cards, there is an option for the teacher to export it to Quizlet so the students can play the game further in Quizlet. Pear Deck has converted all our deck into this Quizlet list, so students could play Quizlet by themselves, or they can play it with each other, or you could do a class activity going through the Quizlet vocabulary.